Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will find out that how to find a new and viral content for YouTube channel. So this is very simple. You can go to your YouTube Studio website, your channel or page and app. If you have a mobile, then you can download the YouTube Studio and open the YT Studio app. After open YT Studio app, you will see that there is a different options at one corner sides. Here is analytic option. You will click analytic option. When I will click analytics, then different types of signs we can see here, and sometimes there is a research option is also available. We can click on research option and find out simple this bar, but here is no research option. We will go to the inspiration option. When I will click on the inspiration option, then I will find out a different viral content and different viral videos that is present in nowadays. If I find to what will the content here, what will be the description, and what will the title of my YouTube video, then I will research a simple text in this bar, that how find content for YouTube. It's just simple click and research. Then you will see the different viral videos where you can find out how he makes this video, and you can easily copy it and paste and make your video. So I think this is the simplest way how to find your content from a YouTube channel and YT Studio, that you will find a viral content, and you should have to find a viral content for YouTube that will be very fascinating and should be viral for everyone. I hope this short video is very helpful for you. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe, share, like on it. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.